So she's still asleep.
Morning, Mr. Benson. How are you?
Good. Good night, please.
Good man. Welcome to Ho Chi Minh.
Alright guys, good morning. Welcome to Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. Lawrence and I are just going to walk out, grab ourselves some breakfast. Today we're going to have a very exciting day. We're going to go to the War Museum, which is apparently one of the most shocking yet interesting experiences you can possibly have in Vietnam. Then we're going to go to the tunnels with the girls, which is going to be really, really fun. And again, very, very interesting. So we're going to learn a lot today. It's a beautiful day. The sun is out, even though we can't see it because we've got so many buildings around us. And you can hear the noise of bikes, which certainly means you're in the city.
How was your breakfast, Lawrence?
Very good.
Was it?
Yeah.
Mine was distinctly average, but it's alright.
I enjoyed mine actually.
Good man. The recording I'm using as a backing track here as we walk around the War Remnants Museum looking at images and information from the Vietnam War is actually being played by a blind pianist. He was born blind with no eyeballs as a result of the Agent Orange disease. Right then, we are leaving the War Remnants Museum now. That is well worth a visit, extremely worth the £1.30 or whatever it was to go in. It's kind of humbling actually, just walking around it. You don't really know how to explain it, no thank you. Just so much barbaric, I don't know how to explain. What was your opinion, Lawrence?
Shocked. Very similar to how I felt at the prison in Bangkok.
100%, it is very similar. You walk around and it's like, there's no filtering, so everything, all the images that were taken of the brutality, there's no sort of blurring. It's like in your face, you see it, and you feel like you can't really say anything as you're walking around the museum. Definitely recommend going. And the Cu Chi tunnels that you can see right here, we're actually going to be going there this afternoon with the girls, so that's going to be exciting. Violet Hostel and Spa?
You are Hepcat.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Center.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so we've just been told we have to pay 186 and we've been in the taxi for 3 minutes. This morning we were in the taxi for 20 minutes and we paid 27. So somehow we're being ripped off here.
Yeah.
Just don't pay it. If someone's trying to mug you off because you're a tourist, don't stand for it. So we're arguing our case here. That's literally trying to charge us like £6 for a 3-minute journey, when in a 25-minute journey this morning we paid just over £1. Starbucks, gonna have to use it for the Wi-Fi to message the girls. How are you? Good?
What?
Good. Alright, let's go to the tunnels.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it an emotion?
No.
We're playing games.
Yeah.
Well, that was a fun journey. The Cu Chi tunnels, Lydia, how about that?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah. We're going to leave Felipa in the tunnel. To get to the tunnels, we have to go into the jungle. This looks awesome. Okay, do you like snakes?
No, I don't like snakes, but I prefer
Don't mind them.
Oh, look, a lizard.
Oh.
Oh, so we're going here.
You can feel the humidity though, like it's so much warmer here and like damp. Felipa, are you claustrophobic? She is.
Yeah, I can. Yeah, kind of. I don't like to feel like I can't move.
Lawrence,
I mean,
are you claustrophobic?
I'm okay.
Basically, these tunnels are very, very thin, and for a little 6-foot giraffe like me, I'm not going to be able to stand up, obviously. That's the start of a bunker in there.
Yeah. You look inside the bunker, here about the 3 and 5 people. Look anywhere by the loophole here.
Wow. Oh shit. Holy.
Wow.
The walls
Oh, my
very small,
word.
very small like it. But now it will be the best one for you, for everybody.
I don't know if I'm going in.
I think you should. I'll get my feet out of it. Hang on. Look up again.
Yep. It's what it's like, but...
Oh my god, this is making me shake. Oh my god, I'm shaking like a dog. Oh man, I'm shaking. Oh hi. I can't. I have to go backwards. I have to. I can't go. I can't move.
Come on! Where are we going? Yours, are you coming?
Come here, come here.
Oh my god!
What?
Look up, look up, look!
I'm not looking. What, it's spider?
No, it's a bat. It's a one word here.
Look at that bat.
Scary.
It's like the same tunnel again. Jesus Christ.
Literally, I'm just not doing it for the lads right now, am I? Wait, that tiny down there?
Yeah, to look like the termite mold. Because the forest had the many the
George, we did it.
Yeah, Whistler.
Take me to your tunnel, sir.
Don't like it down here. Yeah, we're okay. Oh my god, oh my god. No, I've got to go, I can't stay in here. Go up. How do I turn around? Can I get out that way? I can't go past it, I can't.
Wait.
Fuck, what's that? Okay, I kind of know what you're all thinking right now, like, man up, you absolute melt. Look at the sweat coming out my face. That's just because I saw a giant spider. Oh my word.
We saw a bat, we saw about 10 spiders.
Good job. I wish I could have gone through, but no chance. Absolutely no way. Go on, Flid, you can do it.
Which.
Quick. Come on.
Yes, mate.
Yeah, okay. So they do say that the negative experiences are the ones that shape you the most. This is without question a negative experience. But it's small progress to combating big fears.
Fucking hell. Okay, follow me, please. Go this way, about 30 meters long.
30.
Yeah, do Whistler.
30 meters?
This was 10. Stay close. Men det är bara...
Halfway. Okay, stop talking and go, please. Alright, so apparently this is like a sweet potato. Oh.
Det smakar typ ingenting. Det var bara torrt.
Okay.
Bye, thank you very much.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
See you again. Hopefully not in a tunnel.
See you again, really?
Yeah, mate.
Are you going back?
Yeah, I'm going to become a guide. Conquer my fears. Alright, so on reflection, we've just done like a 30-meter walk in a tunnel that's already been made. The people that actually dug these tunnels, one of them was actually 250 kilometers long. So imagine actually going through it and having to dig it on your way for 250 kilometers. Like, it's not going to just be one person the whole time, but even still, absolutely mental. The Coochie tunnels, I mean, it doesn't look like I enjoyed it, but in its own little way, it was an unbelievable experience, and I think we've all conquered some fears today, which means it's a successful day, overcoming some challenges. Genuinely, one of the scariest, that is the scariest thing I've ever done. The first tunnel, I couldn't get over the fear of the spider. Like, of all the things in the world to be scared of, a spider, it annoys me. There's nothing, well, there's a lot of things that annoy me in this world. One of my big things that annoys me about myself is that no matter how hard I try and overcome that fear of the spider, I just can't. The tight claustrophobic space, the pitch black darkness, that is okay. It's just the spider. And I sit here, I'm a little bit annoyed at myself because I didn't go through the bunker one, the first one. But I tried to overcome the fear, and then the rest of the tunnels, even though I knew there were spiders in there, because I didn't see it, I did it anyway. So I'm very proud of myself for that. And everybody else as well. Philippa and Lawrence did the first one. Lydia and I did all the rest of them with everybody. As a group, we smashed it. But I am literally still sweating like a dog, and I would thoroughly recommend that experience, even though it's a tough one if you're scared of like tight spaces, dark spaces, and of course the dreaded 8-legged arachnids.
Good job.
Yes.
Her body's gold like September. She burns through the night like an ember.